What's up, y'all? So, got a 2015 Dodge Ram, 1500. You know, no thrills and frills. It's just bare, basic model. I just wanted a truck just to be able to, take the wheeler and all the toys out and something to haul it with. I got rid of my Challenger. It was a tough one, but tough break. Got to do it sometimes. But anyways, so today the video I want to share is about a bad wheel bearing. I had a bad wheel bearing, couldn't figure out what it was. I had a specific noise. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about what that noise was or an outcome or a fix for that noise. So what I did was went through the whole truck and then finally found out it was the passenger side front wheel bearing. And it was making this hideous grinding sound, and I'll put a video up here of that actual noise. That way you guys can hear it as well. But this is the hub right here. This is the bearing. Take a look at this nasty girl right here. So if you could see, like, there's a metal cap that actually popped right off of that thing and exposed it, and that's probably what the problem was. But you can see it was pretty beat up. The truck's got about 75,000 miles on it, and I mean, I'm sure it's probably coming eventually anyhow. So I did both sides actually when I was at it, because I figured, hey, if one's gonna go, the other one's gonna go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna play the clip right now. That way you guys can hear it, and then we'll jump right back into it after you guys listen to that actual noise. All right, let it roll. So hopefully this helps you guys when you hear this video and you hear that noise, and if that's a noise that you guys hear as well, the first place I would look is your wheel bearings, because that is probably the #1 culprit of your issue. All right, so if this helps you guys out, please like, share, subscribe, jump on board. We're just getting started here. We got a lot of things planned, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. All right, I'm out.